How to create login page in Google Sites. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a login page on your Google site. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up the project that you're working on your Google Sites. I will just open this default template that's available in Google Sites. Now, right here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to first add another page. So I'll just tap here, tap on add and add another page called members. So this is going to be where you get after you log in. So after you create this, what you can do is you will need to head over to this another page where you will need to search for Auth Pro. And after you do that, you'll find this Auth Pro website. You can head over to authpro.com as well, where you can create free login feature. So what you can do is here you'll see free Auth Pro account. Tap on this sign up option. After you tap on sign up, here you will be able to select this. Select I want to use the setup wizard to configure my account now. Then tap on continue. And now you'll need to add in your username, your password. Just choose a strong password, your name, then your email. And after you type in your name and then your email, you can just skip this or you can add your website title, URL, and stuff like that as well. And after you do that, tap on create account. So, okay, so you will need to have a unique username. Let me go back and change that. So let's just change it to this. Tap on done, and there we go. Now you can proceed to set up wizard. And after you do that, just wait for a bit. It can take some time. And also, what you will need to do is you will need to create another page where you want to create a login page, or you can simply add it at home as well. So let's wait. And here you will see on the auth row the new member registration option. There are different options where you can want your members to register for free and access the members area and other options as well. You can go through all this but for this video, I will be selecting the first option. Tap on next. After you do that, now you can add the name. You can go through this. If you want to add another field, you can do that as well. And again, there are different options available here as well. And then tap on next after you've edited this. And now you'll need to add your member area's URL. For that, simply publish this first. Then tap on publish after you give it a name. And after you do that, as you can see, your site has been published successfully. Now, what you can do is you can open this website up. I'll just copy the link for the website, then paste it right here. And this is my members link. So all I have to do is copy this link, come back here, paste it here. This is the member area URL. And after that, you can then add failed URL login. What this does is if anyone fails to log in, they will be redirected to this one. Or if you page protected authentication as well, where members will be sent if they try to access the page without logging in. So yeah, you can add these as well. And also you log out URL. All of these are optional, so I'll just leave it be and then tap on done. After you tap on next, you will be set up here where you can add some members. So this is for testing purpose mostly. So you can type in the name if you want to. I'll just type in whatever here. So I'll just type in my Google account and then tap on next. So this is going to be the first account here. And there we go. Now you can add this link to your website to display the login form. All you have to do is copy this, come back to this page right here, go to home page or wherever you want the login page to be at, then tap on add and oh my bad, come back to insert and on insert, scroll down till you find embed. So there you should find an embed option. Let's search for that. There we go. Here, paste the link, then tap on insert. After you tap on insert, this page will be right here. This is the login section. You can change this, the size, the way you want it. Then you're done. Now publish this again if you want to. And after you've made the edits, you have published it. And now you're good to go. That's how you can add a login page to your Google Sites. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.